What introverts need to be successful business owners. Introverts are often seen as shy, reserved, and even aloof. But introverts can also be some of the most successful business owners. This is because introverts have many qualities that make them ideal business owners, such as being excellent communicators, good at multitasking, and having a strong work ethic. Here are 8 things introverts need to be successful business owners. A clear vision. Every successful business owner needs a clear vision for their business. This vision will function as a guide and motivator, helping you to make decisions and stay on track. For introverts, it is imperative to have a clear vision, as you may be less likely to seek advice and input from others. Self-discipline. Self-discipline is essential for any business owner, but it is especially important for introverts. This is because introverts are often more likely to be perfectionists and set high standards for themselves. So having self-discipline will help you to stay focused and avoid getting bogged down in details. Strong written and verbal communication skills. As an introvert, you find communicating in writing than in person more comfortable. However, successful business owners need to be able to communicate effectively both in writing and in person. This means clearly articulating your vision, goals, and ideas. It also means developing good listening skills and building relationships with clients, customers, and employees. Good time management skills. Time management is crucial for any business owner, but it is especially important for introverts. This is because introverts often prefer to work alone and can be easily distracted. Good time management skills keep you focused and ensure you get the most out of your work time. The ability to network effectively. Networking is a necessary evil for any business owner. However, it can be especially challenging for introverts who prefer to avoid social situations. Therefore, finding ways to work efficiently is imperative for an introvert. This may mean attending networking events with friends or colleagues or using online networking platforms. A willingness to learn and take risks. You'll need to constantly learn new things and take risks to maintain success as an entrepreneur. This can be challenging for introverts, who prefer to stick to what they know. However, successful business owners are always learning, growing, and willing to take risks. A positive attitude and self-confidence. Owning a business is often like a roller coaster ride. There will be ups and downs, and you will make mistakes. However, having a positive attitude and confidence in yourself and your ability to succeed is vital. For introverts, this may mean faking it until you make it. A sense of humor. To finish, a sense of humor is essential for any business owner. This is because owning your own business can be stressful, and you will need to laugh at yourself and your mistakes. In addition, your sense of humor helps you build relationships and connect with people. With these 8 things, introverts can be successful business owners without changing who they are. By being true to themselves, introverts can succeed in owning their own business. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.